Today we present you soundbar, a portable soundbar thanks to its 2200 mAh rechargeable battery, with compact, modern and elegant design, ideal for karaoke music setting for small events and parties, teaching and lectures. High sound quality thanks to its 30 watts of power and its bass reflex bass boost. Allows for equalizing adjustments via 3 selectable presets. Sync duets with its 2 wireless UHF microphones thanks to the karaoke function, with echo effect and independent volume control of music and microphones. It has a built-in USB MP3 player. It is compatible with Karaoke Apps and has an auxiliary input for connecting other devices, as well as an auxiliary audio output for external amplification. It is highly versatile and adaptable to multiple uses. In the case of teachers or small talks of up to 2 people at a time, it may be in their interest to have their hands free. If that's the case, you can replace one of the handheld microphones for our Ampli BP belt pack microphone. The package includes soundbar soundbar, 2 UHF microphones, includes a remote control unit which is simple and intuitive to use, a stereo jack 3.5mm to a stereo jack 3.5mm audio cable, USB-A to USB-C recharge cable, batteries included for microphones and remote control, and a user's manual.